Step 1. Wake up. Step 2. Grab your favorite mug. Step 3. Grab your favorite tea bag. Step 4. Place the tea bag into the mug. Step 5. Grab a kettle. Step 6. Fill the kettle with water. Depending on the size of your mug, you may need about 1 to 2 cups. Step 7. Place the kettle on the base and turn it on. Step 8. Wait for the water to boil until you hear an audible chime indicating that the water is ready. Step 9. Grab the kettle from the base and carefully pour the hot water into the mug. Step 10. Wait for the tea to steep. For black tea, the general rule of thumb is to wait 4 to 5 minutes, but this varies with preference. Step 11. Remove the tea bag. Step 12. Grab some milk or cream and pour the desired amount into the mug. Step 13. Grab some sugar, sweetener, or honey and place the desired amount into the mug. The more you add, the sweeter it'll be. Step 14. Mix all the ingredients together. Final step, enjoy that warm cup of tea and have a damn fine morning.